The last 3 years related to tackle this very issue. The first
obviously there is no technological way alone to kind of solve that problem, right? I think it's important that generally there is a good awareness that we are building together, from a government point of view, from an industry point of view, from an academia point of view. What are the challenges when we apply AI? Again, what implications can it have? And what guardrails can be put in place to avoid that? So I think it is really important that there is an education of the guardrails that are needed from an AI point of view, right? I think there is no need to be generally painting a picture of everything around AI is dangerous and the automatic outcome is inaccuracy or misinformation or wrong predictions or whatever hallucination can be out there. On the other hand, there needs to be an awareness in the society that guardrails need to be put in place and that anything AI is not automatically great and always accurate and automatically to be trusted. And I think this differentiation and this understanding that technically speaking, we can put governance into an AI model and we can actually test for it and we can ensure that there are certain principles being followed. I think this awareness needs to be built together in a joint effort.
Saya Niluh Puspa. Saksikan program-program Kompas TV melalui siaran digital, pay TV, dan media streaming lainnya. Kompas TV, independen, terpercaya.